That's why me no come over here live and me no come reach out here and me no call here and me no text.
That's true.
Me no do that. Me no do that because me have understanding.
Yeah.
And your daughter really want to see, you know, really want to see that person there, but true,
That's it.
that person they come with the package, you have to just accept the whole package and done.
Hey, see,
What me can do? Can't do nothing. Chat. We tap tap with you, know. Chat, yo. What a screen. What a screen, chat.
Yes, double tap, yeah, man. Double tap, guys.
Come on, tap on the screen, please, man.
Lime in my own. Put lime in the feed.
Why them I do this? A shot.
Joe, ODAIN, somebody has said something I may go say to you.
Yeah, can.
Let me say, you always come out here and use the DNA if you get money. You always come out and say certain things. Anne Marie, good morning, baby. You understand? Like you come out upon style. I try. Guys, everybody catch a rose. Them say you always come out upon style and use the DNA. I tell them, say, if you give you a gift and them something there. I love always the morning. Yeah, guys, each person drop a rose, chat. I don't know how true it is, but that me hear a whole heap of people are saying. You know, chat 2 more rows, guys. As a bad baby, what's up? Morning.
That's a lie.
No, I mean, just I tell you where I go.
No, I comments. Me I read where them are the 2 years, so them I say that's a lie. That's a lie. Cause they over here. Why would I do that? No.
Give me things and go on, man. I make pictures of go and go find your one.
Look how long me not come over here.
You call it today, alright?
About 2 months, me not come over here. About almost 2 months.
Yeah, sorry about that. Sorry.
About 2 months, about so me not come over here. So me I go use that. A long time me not come over here.
Me just say, I'm saying, I'm not. Me never hear.
No, me know what you ask. No, me know I comments, but me I say. Them I say that, but I end of the day. How long me not come over here?
A good while. Me never see upon me.
That's why me did tap come over here in the first, because then they say that me I do. Which me never did I do that in the first place, no? Me never did I do that.
Good morning.
And them say if you do something, I may I do it. So oh me, no.
No room, thank you.
I don't like it, did benefit me. He never did benefit me. He never benefit me none at all.
I tell you the truth, you know, you see for me nah wake call in. You know, only thing I want her for them, I just want her for happy because who me fall in love with, nobody can tell me what to do about that person. You get what me I say? And them I go have them ways and all of them something there. You get what me I say? It's only if a man willing to change. You understand? You say if a man willing to change, me not lie to you. That's a good thing. But you say if a man constantly be that same person over and over, me not go rate them. Because me can't tell you who for love. Because nobody can tell me who for love. Me I tell you that.
Yeah.
But me see a person constantly abuse you and put them hand on your brother. And that's how the whole thing gone out the door. A man can always talk, you know, and say what them have to say, you know. But you see when a man make it physical and a beat you and butter bruise you, and that's how the whole thing gone out the door, you know. You understand what I try to say? Right? And this moment, you're going to hurt the person, and by 24 hours, you're going to say, it's a prank. Them there is something piss me off. And I can't hide my emotion when it come on to things like these.
You see me? Me sick of these people. These people are sickening. These people, this woman who me soon support so hard on the app. Use her daughter and her blood clot grand pitney as stepping stone. If you come on TikTok. And at them we soon support. See? Matter of fact, I don't give a fuck about the support because I don't can support she now too. Because the relationship done. I swear to God, it's done. The relationship done now. You see things are me. And me, I stop your daughter we don't even like a bone in your honey. She don't even like a bone in her. Since I me I stop her from come around big stinking people like you. Yeah man. Yeah man. You can't go no ways now. See? Me no want to have nothing. What me telling you for already, you know? Me telling you for already, say me is not a part of no Hans Bumbuckler family around here. And I know now yesterday me I talk. Me I telling you straight, I am not a part of no Hans family, bro. See? I am not a part of no Ant's family. Me I talk to no fan with you about that. Me telling us that this relationship I got done and I feel like a joke. See? For me know myself, me bring myself from this level in a life to this level for some low life people. When me know Alia and blood clot and them, there are nobodies. See? For sure, they say not even pay attention. This red boy has changed so much people fucking life since he's around. See? How long when I never see them on media? See? Before they meet me. A long time when I see them on media. A long time when I never see them on media. On YouTube alone and they see them on TikTok. Be realistic. Eh? Be realistic. Eh? Be realistic. Before me come in a picture, them did it on media. At TikTok, YouTube alone did it on. Our mama, where our mama did it? YouTube, they say they are not TikTok beggars. You know see it? I want to show you this. Me not just only a minute. Not even look a bit. YouTube alone need it upon. See? YouTube. YouTube our mama did it upon and bring her down. Remember good na man. Remember good na man. Our mama did it upon YouTube and bring her down. Hard. And our mama silicon money start make her come over here to come bring her down harder. Yeah. You understand what I say? So listen what I say now. Fool myself. Fool myself, our mama use she as a stepping blood clot stone. I use her blood clot grand pitney as a stepping stone for build herself on this and I uno them on support. See it? Yesterday, our daughter look on her and say, Mommy, I don't like bumbleclad certain people. You hear what she said? No, you know some love that the person there. Big stinking pussy woman. I am me always want this. Annie number one, me I gotta bring it from the get-go days, bro. Me could have fuck Annie if me did want when me just come in our community. Me I tell you that. Me not fuck them the kind of old foot them me make sure and me end up there with this a girl, bro. You hear that? Cause me not fuck big girl on the hilltop. You hear that, my friend? Every time every day me carrying a new girl. Who know me, can talk. See? And that's why jealousy come from if you don't really want to know. I told me not look on her. And that's why hate come from day one. So me I bring it out from day one. Where it come from. And that's why I bring hate, you know. Yeah, man. And that's why I bring the hate. But watch on a woman. Watch on a woman. Watch on a woman. Me glad say the person them within our circle now. Jennifer, you can go suck out your mother and come out of my life. Me not like you, know, Jennifer. Me not like you personally. Me not like you, lady. Me not like you. Big man thing. Jennifer, me not like you. Anyway. Hear me I say now. It was a due time for these motherfuckers do what they gotta do. Me sickening by Alia and our people them. Me tired of Alia and our people them. Them sickening now. They don't worth shit. Me put too much energy in these people. Me sick of them. They sick my stomach. Every one of them. Every single one of them. Me wish me wake up and I see them on earth. Me them sick my stomach. Every one of them. The whole fuck of them. Bro. One way day, me tell her straight, you know. She can't tell her, you know. I done with this relationship, you know. Done with this relationship, you know. Me I tell her, you know. Me done with this relationship, you know. And me hope to God she go back to her family then. I hope to God she go back to her family then. You know? They sick my stomach, man. They sick my stomach. You can't turn out the door, man. Yeah, your mama everybody plan, man, to bring back people for life, man. I want to know, man. All I want to go suck on the mama, man. I don't like none of them. I like. I don't like one of them, bro. None of them I like, you know, bro. When they all come round in a charge. You see, when they come round and come at the yard charge, I watch them like a hawk in a youth, because I feel like I got that song over enough for them people that come here, bro. Charge. For them people that come here, 2 weeks after me get notice. A week after that, me crash. to blood clot. A week after that, me lose so much money. You hear that? Charge it. 2 times them people that come here. Me get notice, me crash, and me lose nearly $300,000. You hear that? 300 blood clot $1,000. Tell me, I tell you that. Me if go buy me car, bro, I swear to God. Me if go buy me car last week, youth. Crash, jailhouse, be a problem. Bumbo clot. Them people that come here come sprinkle up behind here. God alone can come tell me. So me say from that, me and Ali live so good. For that woman that come here that day. For that woman that come here, me and that this girl and live good. None at all. Not even a little bit. We don't live good. Not even fuck, we fuck. For sure no. I swear by my mother, I swear by my mother, me had a blood clot up in them life. I swear to God. Did I catch me on it? I swear to God. Me done, bro. Yeah, man. She elevate her for bringing down you and your bumbuckler picnic. She elevate her for bringing down you and your picnic. She elevate her for bringing down you and your bumbuckler picnic. That she elevate her for. That she elevate her for. To bring down your bumbuckler to her internet. That she elevate her for. No. She will call in your ex-man. Girl, your ex-man will come along. Girl, your ex-man will come along. Your ex-man will come along. Your blood clot. You and them are same fucking thing. Demons, the whole blood clot. Every single one of our demons. I don't like none of them. None of bumbo clot I don't like. None. I don't like one of bumbo clot them. Not one. Not blood clot one. Woman go on your ways. Your mother want to fuck you. Go make your mother chew on a strap on and fuck you earlier. Me I tell you the truth. Go on go make your mother chew on a strap on and fuck you. Me I tell you. Go make Annie fuck your brother. Go there with Annie. You see me? Go there with Annie. Yeah man, go make Annie fuck you man. Annie buy one strap on and go fuck your daughter. Cause that one you want fuck. You don't want fuck me cause you don't want fuck Zoe now. That one you want fuck. So strap on and go fuck that one. Me give her to you. Go on, take her now. Take her now. Go fuck her man. Skin her out and ram blood clot dildo underneath her bumbo clot. And suck her pussy after you done to Annie. Yeah man, that's you want. Take her. Since I'm here hide your daughter for you. Take her. Go on go near her pussy. And you push her out. Go near her pussy. Yeah. Big man thing. Here disrespect, me not stop yet. Me not start yet in the relationship done, you know. So everyone buckler body I get it, you know. Rascal, me not start yet. Me not start yet. It just begun. It just begun, you not start yet. Rascal, I don't feel it start yet. You not start yet, it just a warm up. These are just warm up chat. These are just blood clot warm up. Believe me. Everybody can go. Since red answer this and red answer that, from blood clot, red answer coming in your life with the low life where your mother bring you from to whip and me make you there right now. Of being consistent and erroneous and take disrespect and beg till thy kingdom come. And yet still this like a red boy and never take up a dollar go buy something for yourself yet. Come on, man. Me bring down myself enough for dirty people, man. Me bring down myself enough for dirty people, brother. No, sir. Me bring down myself enough for dirty people, daddy. Not a blood clot. When me know Alia to blood clot, I be a old clothes Alia have to pussy clot. Be a old clothes. I want big old bumbo clot bed where full of hole no blood clot like I want cheese wheel. Like I want blood clot cheese wheel. Can't it be a bed where value 200 blood clot thousand now? Eh? SETI, every fucking thing. So Oredance is a fucking person where make sure not gonna know in her life. Eh? Eh? Me not understand. Me not understand a blood clot. Me not understand it. Me not understand. No, me never have no bed, drunker. I never have no bed. I ground me sleep on. Ground me sleep on, master. Alia, tell the people them come pick you up. Tell the people them come pick you up. Hear Alia? Tell your people them come pick you up. Me tired to hear about you. And if you really want to say something, no man, I'm mad if you come here, man. They have to go on. I feel say if Alia left around me, bro, me we better off in her life and she we better off in her life. Because you see, Obia where her mama set on her, he not go walk with me. You see what I say? Me fi go on, and them come around me. Where the blood clot is sealer. I thought me never go around them. Who do you grow them? When I forgot say them come round me? Where the blood clot is? Them come round me. I never go around them. Remember that in on the head good. What the blood clot do now? What this? Let me explain something to you. I'm going to explain to you cleanly. My life was this before Alia. See, my life was this before Alia. Right? I'm going to tell you straight. Before Alia, me have my bitches them will mind me. Me have my bitches them will mind me. And who no. See? Me have my bitches them will mind me before Alia. And me cocky me didn't sell the time there. If you don't want to know. Me cocky me didn't sell the time there to girl. Just like on a sell pussy, a cocky me usually sell. Yeah, man. When I know, no, me couldn't know no. If you never know, me cocky me usually sell around here, man. Brawling and truth, man. How only pa girl take plane for the cocky, man? Only pa girl take plane for this cocky, man. Don't take it for joke. You hear that? Me look 7.5 a kick. How only pa girl me usually fuck on a shot and nothing. Me wake up and say, babes, why you there out of work there? Alright, me I come for 10 grand. What the fuck do you know? How many drugs then I sell them time they hard to? My weed then I sell hard. My cigarette then I sell hard. Money in a pocket every blood clot day. Ask her when she come round me what kind of life she usually live. When she just meet me. Eh? I rental music and pick her up. See it? And after that I skate out. Every fucking where you want, Sharkies, where you want, this, where you want, that, where you want, this, where you want, that. What the fuck do you know? What the fuck do you know? You know if you say TikTok at the end game for everybody? You say TikTok at the end game? You know feel fucking TikTok is the end game? You know stupid? You know much girl that I want me if me left Alia right now? Eh? If me left Alia right now, maybe tomorrow or next 2 weeks, you know see one woman over here should be a blood clot line in our universe. And I fucking need that. You don't know how the world work. Are you guys dumb? When I fucking fool? Go ask Croc City about me, man. Ask Croc City about me. Go ask them. The fuck do you, man? Go ask Croc City about me, man. Girl for days. Fuck do you know? I like when I forget the parts of my mother and my brother and everybody live overseas. Eh? When I forget that part there too? You see me, my mother, I'm a wash belly if you guys want to know. I'm the last child from my mother and my father. See? I'm a spoiled person. Me a wash belly. This a boy I will never sleep out a door. This boy I will never go hungry. See? Never. Never. Me not ask you no, tell me, I tell you. Me sick of Annie, I use me as style to talk about certain things. Woman, me not stop your daughter from come round. Make sure prove that to you, Bob Buckler. I prove that to you. Alia.
Anytime.
Alia, have I ever stopped you from going around your mother?
No, Daniel, don't talk to me.
Eh?
No, Daniel, I never do nothing.
Me not talk about do nothing. Have I ever stopped you from going around your mother?
No, Daniel, no.
So, oh, your mama make you look like me stop her? Me stop you?
No, Daniel.
Alia, why you can't go around them go live? Please.
Go around them say I can't get a piece.
Thank you. Thank you, Alia. Go on around them, man. Please, to blood clot. From last week, me I beg you to go on. Go on around them, man. Please, me I beg you so people can stop say, and me, I tap them picking up and deal with them. Yeah. Go on, man. Yes. Yes, I have a left round red and so go smile. You have a left round red and so go smile. Yes. See him, sir. Yeah. Yes, Alia. Yes, red answer do all kind of things. Yes. I would have so good actually.
More than for pimp out people, girl pick me and I look on him and say, hey boy, go look at work. Eh? A year ya am a con dig out, Annie. And me not con dig out for ya. Remember me tell you this, my days them with cussing with you, it's over. Me go be a child where you hate. Remember from birth you tell me this, you wish you didn't have me. You wish you never have me. From birth, you tell me that. That's why I stay far from you. Stay far from you because I can't please. If you can't please somebody, they will kill you. They will hurt you. For true, brother. For true, bro. We looking at enough things deeply. Guys, me have to go come back, you know. Me I go attend to my son. Me I do too much chattings. Me I do too much talking, guys. Me I go attend to Chooks and I go come back. Or me left the phone right or so. Come. Me I go left this right or so. Me I go attend to Chooks. Me I do too much talking. Too much talking.